Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating this look with the conspiracy palette. Now, I will do like a full video of like swatches and colors later, but I'm only gonna do this today. I just did my first impressions on it today. If you love this look and you want to see what I thought, my first impressions of the whole conspiracy and Jeffree star, then keep watching. Today I'm excited because after 6 long weeks, I finally got my conspiracy palette. Now, when this dropped on November 1st, I was at the doctor's office with all my kids and they were getting their checkups. And I was like, so it launched at noon my time. So I was at the doctor's office at 11, right? So at noon, I had dropped Sky back off at school and I was walking out the school. And at like 11:57, I was refreshing the page and it was having trouble. Like it just kept saying sorry. So I was like, fuck, like the site crashed. I know it did. I knew it was going to, like, that's what it was. So I kept trying, like long story short, I never got to purchase it. I was talking to my brother and he was saying that his girlfriend was doing the same thing as I was, trying to refresh the page, waiting, couldn't place an order. So I never got it on November 1st. So then I think like a few days later he did a pre-order and I got it. And I'm one of the last ones that it shipped out. So I guess even though I was on there right when it happened, I'm like one of the last ones to get my package, so they went fast. So I didn't get the mini because they did, like, it was, I mean, now that I'm like getting into makeup, I probably should have. So I'm probably gonna get the mini when it restocks with that green shade. I'm gonna probably get it then. But today I just got this. It's been 6 weeks, guys. 6 weeks. Today is what, December 11th or 12th or something. So this is what she's looking like. So I'm used to getting like a little bit more stuff in my box. Like I'm not talking like tissue paper. I'm talking like a postcard, like the star paper, and I don't know if it's holiday season and they just running out of supplies, and the box is pink. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all what the packaging normally looks like. So this is the Jeffree Star normal box, and when it's got the star tape on it. It's got the star tape on it. And let's see. And look at all the star tissue. Star tissue. I think I probably have like a postcard in here. Like, oh, I probably took it out and put it somewhere else. But I was expecting this, but the conspiracy like launch, right? Not this little boring white box with this freaking flat tissue paper You know, like, I was expecting it to be nice with the postcard. Now, I haven't opened this, so maybe the postcard is in here. I might have spoke too soon. But guys, tell me. I'm gonna put these next to each other. Which one you think look better? The white one with the pink rundown tissue paper, or the pink one? Look. Or do you like this? Look, this tissue paper is way more fluffier than that other stuff. This looks way more better, right? I mean, especially after waiting 6 weeks, after having the launch issues twice. I would just, I would want my shit to be A1. They've waited, we waited a long time. We had side issues, not once, but twice. Anywho, we're gonna open this up, and all I get is a little sticker. Okay. Well, let's open her up. Look, see? Nope, no postcard. Oh, okay. Now, maybe the postcard is in here, but I really doubt that, because it'd be like laying on top. But it's nice and heavy. Let's open her up. It looks good. It looks good. I've never seen this. I'm just opening this up for the first time. Oh, my nails are horrible. Oh my god. I like it. I mean, I knew I was gonna like it because I wouldn't have bought it, but having it right here in your hand, it's like, okay, I can do some things with this. So you already know we gonna go ahead and test it out. You already know. This next to Blue Blood is basically the same. Looky there. It's like the same. It's like the whole same. And Blood Sugar too. So they're definitely in the same category as far as packaging. Listen to me. Okay. So yes, I'm disappointed in the packaging, considering all the things that we went through to get this and what I'm normally used to. All right, now yesterday I had on pink again. I promise this is a different shirt. But I have on pink today. So what should we do? Okay, I'm just gonna go into my pills. Next, I'm going to go in with pig meat. Oh, wow. Pigment. Why did I say pig meat? Wow, I feel so stupid right now. This seems similar to the color I was using yesterday. I don't know if it's my brush, but I am getting a little bit of kickback. next we are going to go in with Trisha.
Mom?
Yes?
I don't record.
No?
Then why not say that?
Sometimes I don't talk, buddy. I gotta do the makeup. I gotta be still. That's why. Blend it out. Trying to just soften up this line. that with some powder. Here. So, go back in with that. Yes, buddy.
What is Rally Scott Bigman?
Probably just use my fingers for this one. Look at this one. Nice. So I'm going to add a little bit of glitter to the middle of my lid. Okay, I'm going to do my eyeliner in my face and I will be back. Okay, I am all done. I am back. Let me fix this. I am back. I finished my face. My first look ever created with the conspiracy palette. I didn't think I was going to be doing pink, but you never know, right? You never know. I mean, for this first look, I didn't think I was going to do pink. That's what I mean. You know me, I like light pink and pinks. I hope you enjoyed this look slash, I'll call it a first impressions on the conspiracy palette. I gotta go get my children from school, and I will see you in the next video.